Good morning, y'all. Welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas. I am at the VA pharmacy waiting for some medication. Went to prayer this morning, and then, let's get this day started. It's a day off, Monday. Don't got too much planned, I don't think. I do have to go get new tires for my truck because they balding out, worse than some of my clients. Just kidding. But, yeah, I'm going to go do that, and that's really about it. So it's gonna be an interesting day. Let's see what we can fill the vlog with. Just got my VA meds, about to head to the house. I had to come get them from the VA because usually what I do is I'll order them online or refill them online. But it was taking a smooth minute. It was like over 3 weeks since I ordered a refill. Usually I order a refill, it's filled the next day or two, and then it's sent, and it's to my house within like 5-6 days. But this one took a good bit, took a minute. But yeah, so head back home. Do what I gotta do. Go take my truck down and get tires. They're bad. They're bad. I didn't realize how bad they are because they're really wide, so I don't really look inside. But my truck needed an alignment. Never got it. And so now you can see the wear on the inside. So that's what we're gonna do for that. My daughter and my wife, I believe, are gonna be in a choir at church. So they're singing some special songs for our Christmas Eve service. So they have that practice tonight. And then other than that, it's just a nice chill day to not really do nothing. Overcast, real wintry looking. Yeah, so I dig it. All right, we're at the shop. I got my G&B Pro bag. I am going to go do my client's hair. Where I get my tires done is one of my clients. So gonna go ahead and get some stuff here to take over there. Let's see what we got. I think I'm gonna take my Go shaver, of course. Gonna put that into its little area. Gonna take the Troll. I like how that cuts up, so we'll take that. We'll also take the Go. So we'll take the Go trimmer. There it is right there. This is the prototype of the Go trimmer. This is a prototype blade. But what I can tell y'all is that this prototype works amazing. So we're gonna take that, take the razor holder, get rid of the old blade. It's a little stuck, trying not to cut myself. So we'll take that. Grab 2 razor blades just in case. There's 2. Got them 2. Throw that in there. What else can we take here? Gonna need a comb. Gonna need a pick. Toss that in. Gonna need a neck strip. Toss that in. What else do we need? Clipper. We'll go with the Go. Dang, that's dirty. Don't mind me, y'all. I should have cleaned. Saturday, I was very busy. And last thing you want to do is clean up. So, that's on me. That's on me. But we're going to take that. We'll put that right here. We're going to take some Chizap, some holding spray. What else? Oh, let me get 2 gloves. Go take with me as well. Gonna throw it in there. I do need guards. Take my half, one and a half, and 2. I'm presuming that's the only guards I'll need, so we'll put that there. I think that's it, guys. I don't really. Yeah, that's it. That's all we need. We're good to go. Good to go. I think that's all it. So that's what we're gonna take to go do this beard trim. Oh, and of course, let me not forget, got a cape. Last year, I was selected as one of the BarberCon Texas Grade 8 showcasers, so I was able to get this pretty dope cape. So just a little trip down memory lane. So we'll throw it in there in the GMB Pro bag and we'll be good to go. And you can't forget a brush either. Got to get a brush. GMB Pro brush as well. We also can't forget aftershave. I'm gonna throw that in the compartment here. And also some oil sheen just to top it off. And that should do it. I also have a tripod in here as well, so I can get some footage possibly. So that's that. Also, in case you wanted to see where the tripod is, you can get a power bank and put in here, and it connects to the outside as well. But this is where I put the cape. But throw that there, and yeah, we got all we need to go do a little house call at the tire shop. Let's get it. We are here at Rimspec Tire and Wheel Shop. So that's what we're here for. Getting new tires on that thing right there. So let's go do a beard and get some tires. So this is the shop here. This is what we're looking at. We got the hex lights up on the ceiling. Beautiful work here, like the color scheme. It's nice and bright, but dark at the same time. We got Eric here. He was joking around last week. He said, I was sitting out there by my twins. I was like, what are you talking about? He's like, my twins. He's like, their tires bald, boy.
Well, I like to talk my head.
There's the after. Boy looking crispy, glistening. I thought it was just gonna turn. There's the other side. I love these lights in here. But there's the shop once again. We just got the full tour. Appreciate Eric.
Shout out to that boy Nico, man. Always coming through and making it do what it do.
Hey.
I would not get cut by anybody else but you, my boy.
Hey, I appreciate it, bro. Brand new tires. You see we got some good tread on there now. We ain't gonna be slacking out here. Still got some good tread on the back too. All right, guys, we're home, and my wife was cooking breakfast, and then I have some stuff I have to do as far as like getting health care for my son, and things have just been flip-flopped, and we don't have a base here where I live at, so I have to go to Cannon Air Force Base in Clovis to get what I need to get done. So we're driving an hour and a half real quick to go get this done. And yeah, that's where we're at right now. So let's go to Clovis. This is where Luis is from. For any of y'all who know Luis from the shop.
Hey, I'm Luis.
Well, I zoomed in pretty far. Probably shouldn't be recording on the base, but there's some jets over here. Gonna go get a haircut at the BX. JK. LOL. Can't get a haircut, they're doing construction. So I was stationed in Dover Air Force Base, Delaware, and I thought that base sucked. I thought that base was dead. But this is the deadest base I've ever been to in my life. It's sad. My dad said we're here. He's like, I bet there's a lot of alcoholism here. I bet there is. Love seeing military aircraft though. Pretty sick. Here's some more aircraft I didn't get when we pulled in. C-130. I can't really look while I'm driving. There's some other stuff over there though. Mailman just came, son. Go get the package.
Okay.
Let's see what we got today. I think one of them is mom's gift. I'm not gift. It's something she ordered. Packages. Let's go. Bring it over here.
Big black one or tiny white one?
I think the white one's mom's. I think the black one's mine. Yup. Y'all see that? GMB Pro. Now I don't know what the white one is. I think it's my wife's, but GMB Pro. That's for me. So me and my wife came back from Clovis. We got back about maybe 45 minutes ago. I'm cooking them some fried rice. My son is eating leftover pizza, and the other two are playing. So that's what we got going on now. My wife went to her choir practice, and that's what they're doing. So I'm gonna try to get this video all done up and have you guys Vlogmas number 15. Let's go. But before I close this out, we have to open the GMB Pro stuff to just see what we got. You know, see what we got. All right, y'all. So we have our OG GMB Pro bag that we used today. Here is the package we just got in. This is from GMB Pro. So shout out to GMB Pro for the care package. If you guys go to gmbpro.com and you go purchase anything, you can use code Jayblends to save yourself 15%. Or no, I believe it's either 10% or 15%. Either way, you can save yourself some money. So go do that. Go save yourself some money. This is actually the GMB Pro tape. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's all about the branding. Just rip that off right there. I'm gonna have my little handy dandy elf over here. Throw that away. Thank you, sir.
I'm not an elf, I'm a sir.
You're an elf, bro. Today you're an elf. Okay. And I'm Santa Claus. So, got that all open. And now, we got the Interactive Pro Store. Not too sure what this is. We'll put this right here. We also have another box inside of the bag. So, here is the box. Go ahead and slide this open. And then voila, there's the box. Now, it's time to open the box. Watch your fingers, little lady. Boom. Boom. Hey, it's a lime green color. Let's go. You know Vlogmas ain't Vlogmas without presents. So, open this up here. I'm digging that. I like that. GMB Pro. This is the crossbody. Let me remove that right there. And then we'll open this up here. So we got ourselves a GMB Pro lime green and charcoal gray crossbody. So there that is right there. You see the GMB Pro branding right there. We have a front pocket. If you unzip this here, opens up nice. And then we have a little side pocket here. And then we got certified GMB. Let's pop the tag right here, because this is brand new. Not no more. Time to use it behind the chair. But on the opposite side of the bag, we have another zipper pocket. Put stuff in there. And then this right here could go like on a suitcase handle. It could go on they have a full station online where you can purchase another piece that goes to this. And then inside, well, we ain't gonna look at inside yet because we're gonna do that for a separate video. But I will open this up and put everything in there in here so you guys can see how much stuff we can put in there. All right, y'all, so what we have inside the GMB Pro case, we'll go ahead and open it up. So first off, on the side pocket here, I'll let you guys see that. On the side pocket here, I got the aftershave that went right there. We have this nice handy dandy handle. Let me take this out, put it right here. All right, let me unzip this here, the case, so you can open it up and you guys see what we have inside. So inside we have let's see, open this up just a little bit more so you guys could see in there. So inside, you have your GMB Pro branding, of course. I have a razor right here. Inside the pocket up here, we do have some combs, pick. Close that up. We have a cape. We have a trimmer. We got guards. Got a place for miscellaneous stuff. Got a razor in there right now. We got the clipper, shaver. Got some mics. And then inside here, we have some holding spray or some Chizap. We got some neck duster, brush. But there's tons of room in there for more stuff. This is just what I had taken to that house call or office call I did earlier. So that's what we have in there. That's what we're rocking with right now. So if you guys like what you see, go to gmbpro.com. Use code Jayblends to save yourself 15% off of your purchase. So that's what we got. So I dig it. So shout out to JB Pro. We'll do a more in-depth unboxing over this, but this is just, I always wanted to show you this real quick. That's what that is. All right, y'all, that'll do it for the vlog. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn on post notifications. Until next time, God bless.